Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our subject is math and the class is grade 2. Today our topic is place the value. So students, are you ready? Let's begin. Here we have some examples in which we are going to use blocks to count numbers. Here we have some blocks. Count how many blocks these are. Count in tens and ones. There is one 10 block and two ones blocks. So here we write 1 10, 2 ones. 1 10 is 10 and 2 ones are 2. 1 10 and 2 ones make 12. So here we write 12. Here we have some more blocks. There is 1 10 and 11 ones. As I said before in my previous lecture, that the greatest number we can write in ones column is 9. Here we have 11 ones and we cannot put 11 in ones column because we know that the 11 is greater than 9. So what should we do? We make another block of 10 blocks and make them tens. So this 10 block will go to that 10 block. Now here we have two 10 blocks and one 1 block. So here we write 2 tens, 1 ones. So 2 10 and 1 ones make 21. So here we write 21. Here we have some more blocks. We have 2 tens blocks and 12 ones blocks. Here also we cannot put 12 boxes in ones column because 12 is greater than 9. So here we also make a block of 10 blocks and make them tens. This 10 block will go to these tens blocks. Now here we have 3 tens blocks and 2 ones blocks. So here we write 3 tens, 2 ones. And we know that 3 10 and 2 ones make 32. So here we write 32. Here we have 1 10 blocks and 16 ones blocks. Here also we cannot put 12 boxes in ones column because 12 is greater than 9. So here we also make a block of tens blocks and we'll make them tens. And this tens block will go to these tens blocks. Now here we have 2 tens blocks and 6 ones blocks. So here we write 2 10, 6 ones. And we know that 2 10 and 6 ones make 26. So here we write 26. That's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood today's lesson. That how to arrange numbers in tens and ones. So students, here I have put some examples and you have to solve them. And after solving these examples, you have to attempt page number 28 and on Countdown book as your homework. I hope you all will do well. Thank you.